Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix notes that are not showing on Instagram. This is a new feature to Instagram, so better watch out to learn how to do this. So first, open your Instagram. Then swipe left to open your DMs. So my account is new, that's why you can't see anything here, but I'll show you a sample. You should see these notes on your account by the end of the video. So what you're gonna do is click on your profile icon, click on 3 lines menu, choose settings, click privacy, then scroll down to activity status. Make sure that you enable the show activity status option. Go to your DMs and refresh the page. See if the notes option is showing. This should help you fix to see notes on your account. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.